Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your CMD or command prompt, and I'm going to show you the most used and most useful CMD commands or command prompt. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. You can go to search area and you can search CMD, or you can open this command prompt with your Windows plus R, and here type CMD and click on open. Now I'm going to open my CMD with the start menu. That's CMD, and right click on it and run as an administrator. Now you can see in here. Now we need to write prompt in here. So first I'm going to show you how you can write prompt. So write this prompt dir in here and click on enter. That's so you can write this prompt and execute this prompt like this. Write this prompt and click on enter. Now you can see it show my directory. So I hope you understand how you can write prompt and how you can execute this prompt. Now I'm going to show you a list where you can find most useful command prompt. So I'm going to close this one. The first one is essential command. In essential command you can see dir list files and directories in the current directory. cd changes the current directory. cls clear the screen. Copies files on directories. del deletes files. md creates a new directory same as mkdir. rd removes a directory same as rmdir. Renames a file or directory. Moves file or directories. Help displays help for specific commands. System information and troubleshooting. ifconfig displays network configuration information. Ping test network connectivity to a host. Track art tracks the route packet text to a destinations. Answer lookup queries DNS for information. System info displays system information. SFC scan and repair system files. DSK checks a disk for errors. Task leaks display list of running process. Task kill terminates running processes. Additional useful command. Shut down the system. Formatted disk partition and management tool. Power CFG power configuration settings. Attrib displays or changes file attributes. Find searches for text in files. Short sticks. More display output one page at a time. Type display the content of text file. So guys, these are the most used CMD command. I hope you understand this video. You learned something new from this video. Then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.